Hi, Rashid Kapadia here on a Wednesday with the Eloquence tip. The tip comes from Guy Kawasaki, a world-class speaker and author, also a venture capitalist. I heard him saying this to an audience of entrepreneurs at some kind of college contest. He was telling them how to prepare, and he said, don't pitch, prototype. Means rather than only speak, also demonstrate. Show a product demonstration or a new product to be more persuasive. I'll use his own language. He says, as venture capitalists, we have come to recognize that a pitch can be a whole load of bullshit, and graphs and tables can be manipulated with assumptions which won't stand out. But having a prototype or demonstrating a product brings instant credibility. You can see this in that famous television series called Shark Tanks, where young entrepreneurs are approaching venture capitalists. Almost always you'll see them giving a little pitch and then ending with a demonstration or a prototype. So that's our tip for today. It works. And if you want to see it done at the highest of levels, watch the Apple product launches or demos. Right from Steve Jobs when he first introduced the iPod or the iPhone. Masterful use of prototyping to make a credible case. On your voyages ahead, in order to be persuasive, don't just pitch. Also, demonstrate your product or use prototypes. Good luck.